As a part of exponents, we let many things, okay? And almost we are at the last few problems of exponents. And after this problem, I will discuss about exponential inequations. And first of all, just read out this particular problem, and now we are going to solve this. See, the question is about identifying the number of naturals. For how many naturals x less than or equals to 2021? First bit, x power x is a perfect cube, and second question is x power x is a perfect square. Since it is bit A, I am going to solve this A now. See, for how many naturals x less than or equals to 2021 as they are giving. Since x is less than or equals to 2021, the possible values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, 2019, 2020, 2021. X may take all these values. X may be 1, x may be 2, x may be 3. We need to check by replacing x with these numbers, okay? See, first of all, I am just explaining the problem for you, and then I will give you the way of solving this, okay? If x is all these values, then what to say about x power x? Then x power x is simply nothing but, yeah, if x is 1, x power x is 1 power 1. If x is 2, x power x is 2 power 2. If x is 3, 3 power 3. If x is 4, 4 power 4. If x is 5, 5 power 5. Okay, and then 6 power 6. Okay, like that we will get. Like that we will get many numbers. Okay, 6 power 6, 7 power 7, 8 power 8. So like that, if you continue, at the end you will face 2021 power 2021. Right? So there are 2021 possibilities. 2021 possibilities for x. As well, there are 2021 possibilities for x power x also. And now our target is to identify the numbers which are perfect squares in these 2021 numbers. We are going to identify what? We are going to identify perfect squares. Okay. How many perfect squares are involved in this 2021? That count we need to identify. See, just observe this. Perfect square means this is something about the problem. And now I am going to explain you about the perfect square. You just think about perfect square. Perfect square means a number which is of the form n square. A number which is of the form n square. What you say about 100? Whether it is a perfect square? It is not looking as n square, but there is a chance to rewrite it as 10 square. So this is a perfect square. Okay. And what you say about something like 8 power 8? This is not looking of the form n square, but there is a possibility to rewrite this 8 power 8 as a perfect square. And how we do it is, see, 8 power 8 can be written as 8 power 2 into 4. Is it right? 8 power 2 into 4 is nothing but 8 power 4 power 2. Is it right? That means something power 2. Is it right? That means 8 power 8 is a perfect square. Do you agree with this? See, perfect squares are of the format n square. Okay. If I have a number just like 17 square, clearly it is a perfect square. If I have 17 square, it is of the form n square, so it is a perfect square. If I have 100, there is a chance to rewrite that 100 as 10 square, so this is also perfect square. And think about 8 power 8. See, 8 power 8 can be written like 2 into 4, and which is 8 power 4 square. So again this 8 power 8 is something square, so this is also perfect square. And now we are going to identify the numbers in this list which are perfect squares. So first of all, our plan is perfect square needs 2 in the power. As I mentioned, perfect square is of the format n power 2. That means we need 2 in the power. So with that idea, what I am doing is, if x is multiple of 2, if x is a multiple of 2, what will happen? If x is a multiple of 2, x is simply 2 into some m, like 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, maybe all those numbers are multiples of 2, right? If x is equals to 2 power m, then x power x is what? If x is equals to 2 power m, then x power x is equals to 2m power 2m, just like 8 power 8. Since it is 2m power 2m, I will rewrite it like this: 2m power m whole power 2, 2m power m whole power 2. This is of the format something power 2. Since it is something power 2, it is a perfect square. That in turn represents that every 2 multiple will satisfy our requirement. Okay? And the other thing is, if x is a perfect square, if x is perfect square, what will happen? If x is perfect square, x is of the format some k square. Since x is equals to k square, then x power x is equals to k square power k square. K square power k square, which can be again rewritten as k power k square power 2. This is m and this is n. A power m power n can be written as a power n power n. So again it is of the format some n square. So it is also perfect square. And then what I am going to conclude for you is x power x is perfect square if x is multiple of 2. X power x is perfect square if x is a perfect square. See, there are 2021 possibilities for x. Once again I am explaining for you. There are 2021 possibilities for x. If you replace x with 1, 1 power 1. You need to check whether it is a perfect square or not. If you replace x with 2, 2 power 2. We need to check whether it is a perfect square or not. 3 power 3, 4 power 4, 5 power 5. Everything we need to check whether they are perfect square or not. In the way of checking, my idea is, if x is multiple of 2, clearly a perfect square. If x is a perfect square, then also we will get perfect squares. So, possible x's, just I am solving bit a here, possible values of x. Possible values of x are, first thing ఏంటంటే the all multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 means 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, like that. How many 2 multiples are there below this 2021? 2018 and then 2020. You just replace x with any one of these numbers. All those numbers are perfect squares. 2 power 2 perfect square. 4 power 4 perfect square, 6 power 6 perfect square, 8 power 8 perfect square, 10 power 10 perfect square, 12 power 12 perfect square. But 11 power 11 is not a perfect square. 13 power 13 is not a perfect square. Okay, 14 power 14 is perfect square. 15 power 15 is not a perfect square. Why? Because 14 power 14 can be written as something power 2. But there is no chance to write 15 power 15 as perfect square. That's what I am saying. So all these numbers are possible for x. And as per the second discussion, if x is perfect square, then only x power x is perfect square. X perfect square means, what are the perfect squares? 1 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, and then 9 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square, 49 is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square. Like that, we need to count the number of perfect squares which are less than this number. How many will possible? You just think about. 40 square is 1600. 45 square is 2025. Up to 44 square, maybe 1936, I think so. 44 square. Okay, just calculate the value of 44 square. Okay, so all these numbers are also possible. If x is equals to 1, 1 power 1 is a perfect square. If x is equals to 4, 4 power 4 is a perfect square. If x is 9, 9 power 9 is also a perfect square. So these are possible and these are possible. But when you observe, here even perfect squares are already included in that. That means you just cancel this 4, cancel this 16, cancel this 36, cancel this 64 and cancel this last number also. Okay, before that we have 43 square and the last number I think so it is 44 square. So total possibilities are number of possibilities. So how many possibilities are there here? All even numbers up to 2020 means 1010. Okay, possibilities are there. Okay, how many possibilities are there here? Half of the count, right? Only we include even numbers 1010 plus how many possibilities are there here? Up to 44, and the two even numbers are eliminated. Only odd numbers plus 22, and totally 1032 is the answer. Among these 2021 numbers, there are 2021 numbers. We need to check how many numbers x power x is a perfect square. For 1032 numbers, x power x is a perfect square, and finally our answer for the problem is x power 1032. Okay, just have a look. Just look once again. See, for how many naturals of x less than or equals to 2021, x power x is a perfect square. Totally, I have a bag. In my bag, there are 2021 numbers starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I have 2021 numbers in my bag. I need to replace those numbers one by one in the place of x for x power x. Then we will get what? 1 power 1, 2 power 2, 3 power 3, 4 power 4, like 2021 power 2021 we will get. Among all these numbers, we need to identify how many are perfect squares. Some numbers are perfect squares, some numbers are not perfect squares. See, for suppose 1 power 1 is a perfect square. 2 power 2 is 4 is a perfect square. 3 power 3, 27 is not a perfect square. We need to identify the perfect squares. But there are 2021 numbers, right? So likewise, checking each and every number is not comfortable, and that's why I am searching for a short way, and this is the short way to count the number of perfect squares. See, my idea is, if x is an even number, then even number power even number, like 2 power 2. If x is 4 power 4. If x is 6 power 6. All these numbers are perfect squares. So there are 1010 numbers. So for each even, or see, in this region is a perfect square. Not only those even numbers, if x is a perfect square, then also x power x is a perfect square. That in the sense, if x is some 9, then 9 power 9 is a perfect square. Okay, if x is say something like 49, then that 49 power 49 is also a perfect square. That's what we discussed here. If x is a multiple of 2, even number, then x power x will become like a perfect square. If x is a perfect square, then only it becomes like a perfect square. So ultimately our target is to count number of even numbers in this list as well as number of perfect squares in this list. Number of even numbers are 1010 and the number of perfect squares are 22. By eliminating the even perfect squares, total count is 1032. Okay. For your convenience, I will explain once again for you. See, then my conclusion is, if x is an even number, take any number among this list as you wish. Take any number, any even number you just take. For suppose all even numbers I listed here, some number like 304 is there here, right? Among this list, for sure there is 304. Just check 304 power 304. Even number power even number. I will rewrite it like 304 power 2 into 152. And this is nothing but 304 power 152 whole square. Something power square. So that is equals to n square. A perfect square. Like that, every number of this list will become a perfect square for x power x. In the same way, you just take any number of this list, which are where the x is perfect square. Okay. For suppose you just take a number like 49. What you say about 49 power 49? I am saying that this is a perfect square. To check, write 49 as 7 square, and this power is also like 7 square. Okay, or otherwise you just keep that power 49 as 49, no problem. This is 7 square and that is 49, right? So this is equals to 7 power 2 into 49, because we have a chance to multiply these two. and I have a chance to rewrite it again like 7 power 49 whole power 2. 7 power 49 whole power 2 is again of the form m square, right? Something power 2. So that is a perfect square. That's what I am saying. If the base is a perfect square like 25, 36, 49, then x power x is a perfect square. If the x is an even number like of these numbers, then also x power x is a perfect square. So we need to identify number of even numbers in this list, as well we need to identify number of odd perfect squares in this list. Number of even numbers are 1010, as well number of odd numbers are 22, and the total count is 1032. Since we are thinking about perfect squares, these are the possibilities. Whereas for bit B, we need to think about perfect cubes. Cube needs power 3. So there we need to pay attention on not multiples of 2, on multiples of 3, not on perfect squares, on perfect cubes. I will handle that again. Just have a look now. Right, the next thing is we need to calculate see number of possible values for x such that this x power x is a perfect cube. This time our target is to identify perfect cube, which is I think you all know that perfect cube is n power something, n power 3, 1 power 3, 2 power 3, 3 power 3, all these are perfect cubes. Just as we discussed in the previous case, to make this x power x as a perfect cube, we have two possibilities. One possibility is x is equals to multiple of 3, and the other possibility is x itself a perfect cube. Okay, we need to list out all the multiples of 3 from this 2021 numbers. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. See, all these things are multiples of 3, right? So likewise we need to list. Just think about 2021, it's not multiple of 3. Just check sum of digits. 2020, not a multiple of 3. But 2029 is a multiple of 3. So before 2029, I think so 2016 and then 2019. All these numbers are multiples of 3. For your convenience, I am writing this 3 as 3 into 1. This 6 is what? 3 into 2. Likewise, if you continue, 2019 is nothing but 3 into 6, 7, 3. That in turn represents that there are 673 numbers in this list. How many numbers are there here? 673 numbers. Okay. For each and every number of this list, x power x is a perfect cube. You just take any number, I will explain for you. For suppose if you take 18, then think about x power x, that means 18 power 18. 18 power 18 means what? 18 power 3 into 6. This can be written as 18 power 6 whole cube. That means 18 power 6 is some n power 3. So 18 power 18 is a perfect square. Not only for 18, you just take any number and check that x power x, which will become a perfect square. So to make x power x as a perfect cube, there are 673 possibilities. And now you just think about perfect cubes. If x is a perfect cube, perfect cubes means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Likewise we need to list. Okay, I will list for all of you. 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube, 11 cube. What are these numbers? These numbers are the possibilities of x. Okay, 11 cube is 1331, which is below 2021, and then 12 cube is 1728, which is also below 2021. Okay, then 13 cube is also below 2021. Okay, so 14 cube, if you count it, the value is more than 2021. So don't call 14 cube. You just stop your discussion here. See, again, if you need, take any number. For suppose if you wish to check for 5 cube, what I am saying is if x is equals to 5 cube, then in the sense if x is equals to 125, 5 cube means 125, right? Then 125 power 125. 125, write the base as 5 cube and power as this like 125. This can be written as 5 power 125 power 3, and that is nothing but again n cube, a perfect cube. So if you take any number from this list in the place of x, x power x will become perfect cube. If you take any number from this list, again x power x will become a perfect cube. So we are searching for the total number of possibilities. But when you observe, look here, 3 cube is what? 27. This 3 cube, 27 multiple of 3 already included in this list. So cancel out. 6 cube multiple of 3 already there in this list. 9 cube already there in this list. 12 cube already there in this list. 12 cube is 1728, which is a multiple of 3. So in these multiples for sure there is that number, and that's why you need to neglect. Now total number of possibilities, number of x's are, here there are 673 possibilities, plus from the second list if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 possibilities. 673 plus 9 and it is 682. So totally among these 2021 numbers, 682 numbers are there, which makes x power x as a perfect cube. Okay, just everybody, just have a look. That's the problem. Okay, these problems need your way of analyzation. Just listening is not enough to understand and to learn these problems. Along with the problem, you need to think and you need to analyze. Okay, that's for the class.